Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to reduce latency in FL Studio. Alright, so the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch the FL Studio application, which we have in here. Now the next step is to open the audio settings. So go to the top menu and click on options. And from the drop-down menu, you're going to find a couple of options, including audio settings. Click on audio settings. This is where we'll adjust the latency and buffer size. Under the device section, which you have here, just go ahead and click on it and make sure you're using an ASIO driver. If you have an audio interface, go ahead and select its dedicated ASIO driver. If not, just go ahead and choose FL Studio ASIO or ASIO devices. ASIO drivers are designed for low latency performance compared to standard Windows drivers. So the next step is to adjust the buffer length. Look for the buffer length and latency slider. This is it. Lowering the buffer size reduces latency, which makes your playing more responsive. For example, set it around 128 to 256 samples for real-time recording. Then if you start hearing clicks, pops, or glitches, increase the buffer size slightly until the audio is stable. This is the slider. This is where you make your magic happen. In the same audio settings window, make sure the multi-threaded processing is enabled. Here, multi-threaded mixer processing. Ensure that it is enabled. Now, this allows FL Studio to use multiple CPU cores. Also, enable Smart Disable. In the options menu, this helps reduce CPU load from plugins you are not actively using, which also improves latency. Now, of course, when recording, keep buffer size low for minimal delay. When mixing, increase the buffer size to allow more plugins and effects without stressing your CPU. And that's it. You now know how to reduce latency in FL Studio by simply adjusting your audio settings and, of course, optimizing your system. Keep buffer size low while recording and higher while mixing for the best balance of performance and sound quality. So you can go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.